Today I'm so excited to bring to you a breeze bay in Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. This 3-bedroom beauty is a must-see with its custom features. Let's go. The beautiful space here, the shiplap, vaulted ceilings with shiplap and beams. This is perfect. Quartz, gas, double oven, this expansive island. Oh. A large, stellar, spa-like ensuite overlooking the pool. And here in your third room, you've got ample space to make it what you need. I love that in the second bedroom, you've got a full ensuite. Could you imagine being right here, nothing but the beautiful sound of that fountain? Just a preserve as your neighbor, and no neighbors here with this great little seating area. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to see all the added details of this beauty. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any of these.